marketing skills. We're going to see about two apps, which is Google Primer and Grasshopper. First, we're going to see the app Google Primer. Google Primer is a free, fast, and easy way to learn new business and digital marketing skills. And the lessons are in 5 minutes format, where industrial experts have created this lesson in the topics of business and operation, brand and identity, and marketing and measurement. So in that each lesson, there will be a 5 minute lesson which covers topics from business and operations, like whether you like to start a startup, and brand identity like customer management, and creating a website and user experience. In marketing and measurements, you're going to see about the digital marketing fundamentals. So let's we go and explore the website of this app. You like to search yourprimer.com in your web browser. You can come to this web page. You can see that besides lessons to better your business, like small business budgeting, track, plan, and prepare. Google Primer is a free mobile app, as is shown. You can able to download the app and choose from a variety of business and digital marketing topics to find lessons relevant to you or your career. Like this, you can able to scroll through and find what are the we can able to gain the skills, and the what are the purpose which we the app has been developed towards your business or career goals. You can also see the videos if you like to explore through this Primer. First, we go to this lesson catalog. Let me check what we can able to learn from this app. What are the skills? Like skills like business and operation. In business and operation, business planning, selling, business management, startup, and in brand and identity like customer engagement, customer management, I think so, like customer engagement, brand building, and website user experience. We should have a brand to get into the digital marketing field. And the next thing is marketing and measurement. In the marketing measurement, there will be subcategory. Like in each topic, there will be a subcategory. Like if I go to email marketing, you can see the lessons which has been covered in that email marketing. And the person who has been written this topic lessons has been provided in as below. In social media, we will see this topic and digital marketing one, and we can able to get up to the agency management in that category. So we can able to see each thing, and you can able to download the app in Android as well as App Store. So then if you like to go to and start a startup and have some knowledge on digital marketing skills, you can able to come this to app, and you can able to get the insight about this field. Like if you are from already working in a concern, or if I have no time to, if you are running up a company, you can able to go through this app. Because it is in a 5 minutes lesson format, you can easily able to get some insights about your about this field. The next tab is about learning of coding. Because if you are a beginner, if you like to learn about the coding, but if you like to go search online, you can able to find many online courses there, but is there in a fun way, and you can able to uh, since a team of passionate coders from Google has created this through the project experiment area 120, where they will create projects for Google. Like it is named as Grasshopper, was created by a team of passionate coders from Google. And it also is in a fun and easy way. It's like a quick game format where it will be teach you to with the real JavaScript. Like the topics covered like coding fundamentals in JavaScript, and intro to web pages and more. We can able to see that begin your coding journey for free while you are on the go. Since we are down as in a browser version, also in app version, we can easily able to download in your app, and you can able to learn in on the go. Let me see the website of this Grasshopper. You can see, well, welcome to Grasshopper, the coding app for beginners. Learning to code opens new doors, expand your network, develop new skills, launches new careers, create new hobbies. That's like these apps have been used there. We go search for grasshopper that app. You can able to come to this website. You can also see that what are the functionality it has been doing. You can able to learn graduate with fundamental programming skills, the stories which have been done here. And the next learn, you can able to download it in Android as well as in App Store, and you can able to get some insight about what are the function loops, what we'll be learning here. Let me go to that curriculum section and let's see what are the topics have been covered from this, like fundamentals to intro to interviewing, array methods, animation, and coding. In this topic, we can able to get the other subtopic like arrays, if statement. If you go to fundamental two like functions, and other alternative options which will be covered. And in the same intro to web page, you can see how to learn about HTML5, CSS3 basics and all, and you can give build a web pages in this puzzle way. Since it's in the puzzle way, you learn from the scratch to building to your web page with to create adoption page for the animal shelter. It's in a graph summary. You know that you can able to see that here. You can able to easily download both app. If you like to learn about the digital marketing basic and do a business, you can able to go for the Google Primer app. If you like to learn about the coding basic, you can able to download this grasshopper and learn from the scratch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.